Good morning from the National Weather Service here in Pocatello. Here's your weather hazard briefing for Sunday, December 19th. Looking at a warming trend through midweek with some light precipitation impacts furthest north, with some more widespread precipitation arriving around Wednesday. Some key points we're going to focus on this morning. We do have a quiet weather pattern over the next few days, at least leading up to Wednesday, with a general warming trend in place through midweek. Chance of some light snow showers further north, mainly in the central mountains and eastern highlands, with accumulation staying fairly light. Widespread precipitation is likely to arrive around that Wednesday time frame, primarily starting off in the upper elevations and transitioning to more widespread into the Christmas weekend. Lower elevations have the chance for some snow and some afternoon rain as temperatures midweek climb up into the low 40s for much of the eastern Magic Valley and Lower Snake Plain. And at the higher elevations, that's where we're going to be seeing that high likelihood of an all-snow event. Looks, at least as of right now, that you have those heaviest snowfalls pretty much across much of the higher terrain, central mountains, southeast highlands, and eastern highlands, so definitely going to be a widespread snow event for them. Current look at the satellite from this morning. We do have seeing some of that patchy freezing fog and low stratus up in the upper Snake Plain this morning. Definitely not as widespread as what we saw yesterday, so keeping those impacts fairly limited right now. Look at the weather risk outlook today. Just maybe a chance for some few light snow showers across our northern high country and the patchy freezing fog in the Snake Plain. Monday and Tuesday look fairly quiet, maybe a passing snow shower, but again, accumulation staying very light. Wednesday, we are going to start to see some snow showers move back into the area, and towards Thursday, we are going to start to see that more widespread component to it as well. Look at the current watches and warnings out right now. We do have currently winter products stretching all the way from the Pacific coast all the way into Billings, Montana. So it's definitely a far stretch right now. It's from winter weather. Atmospheric river event is favoring our northern regions right now, bringing some winter storm warning level snow for northern and central Idaho. Look at your high and low temperatures for today. It's going to be a cold one, especially out towards Idaho, seeing some single digits already out there. But everywhere else, it's just going to be in the low teens to low 20s out here in Pocatello. Highs this afternoon should be climbing up into the mid-30s to almost 40 degrees out towards Burley, so just slightly above normal for this time of year. And taking a look at some of those snowfall amounts through midnight tonight, mainly just across the high country furthest north. Accumulations again staying fairly light, but up further north where those winter weather advisories and winter storm warnings are in effect, we're going to see some decent accumulations across parts of central and northern Idaho. A look at your Monday. Temperatures are going to be continuing to warm throughout the week, so by Monday we are going to see temperatures near 40 degrees for much of those in the eastern Magic Valley, Wood River Valley, and up through Pocatello and up through Idaho Falls. Looking at the snowfall accumulation, again staying fairly light, just mainly some upslope snow showers across the higher terrain. And for Tuesday, much of the same. We are going to continue that warming trend, maybe cool off by a few degrees further north and east, but especially further south and west that you go, definitely approaching that 40-degree mark for your Tuesday. And as far as some snow, maybe just a passing snow shower on Tuesday, but accumulation staying fairly light. And Wednesday, that's going to be start to see some of that precipitation begin working into the area. Temperatures are going to be fairly consistent, looking like one of the warmer days of this week. Again, for those southern and western portions of the forecast area in the 30s to low 40s, with some widespread light snowfall accumulation across much of the forecast area. And for Thursday, as that precipitation does arrive, we are going to see some of the warmer temperatures, so approaching near 40 degrees for much of us in the eastern Magic Valley and Snake River Plain, while in the high country staying in the upper 20s to low 30s. And in summary today, we just had that quiet weather pattern with just a general warming trend in place through midweek. We do have a chance of some light snow showers further north over the next couple of days, with accumulation staying fairly light. Widespread precipitation is likely to arrive around that Wednesday time frame, primarily starting off in the upper elevations, and it's going to be kind of transitioning to a more widespread event into the Christmas weekend. Lower elevations do have a chance for some afternoon rain possibilities just with those higher temperatures during those afternoon hours, with the higher elevations maintaining that likelihood of an all-snow event. As far as where the heaviest snow will probably set up, at least for current guidance, mainly across much of the high country, so central mountains, southeast highlands, and eastern highlands as of current guidance. So we'll be keeping an eye on that and some snow totals for that event as the day gets closer. That wraps up the weather briefing for today, Sunday, December 19th. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, please feel free to send us an email, give us a call, or check out some information on our website. Have a wonderful day.